Hello and thanks for tuning in. I'm Daniel Kovach, and today we're going to discuss more applications of market profile, and this time we're actually going to be able to execute our trades in a simulated trading environment with what we call the trading game. This is an exclusive ROI Trading Academy product, but the good news is you could use it for free. All you have to do is sign up for a Slack community. So let's get started. First we're going to talk about the trade itself, and then we're going to talk about how to execute it using our trading game. The asset we're looking at is an ETF called SPY. This is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 index. Notice here that I have a significant gap up. I've also consolidated here near the open. This is telling me that essentially I have an open auction day going, and if you know anything about market profile, you understand that as I test the value area that's established during the initial balance or the initial part of the day where the stock is trying to find value, I could predict perhaps where this is going to go later on in the day. Notice that I spend a significant amount of time testing the highs, and therefore I can expect that my asset might extend its range and test one of those Fibonacci levels or Fibonacci extension levels that were set using the initial balance for the day. I want to place my order expecting a little bit of a retracement. That way I don't buy out of FOMO. I also want to use the base of the value area to set my stop loss. This is because I know if my asset retraces and it reverts on me, it's going to smash through this level and close the gap. Finally, I can use these Fibonacci extension levels to set a profit target. Before we move on with this example, let's talk about the rules of the trading game itself. First, you can either buy or sell a stock. We don't accept any more complex orders or any other different types of asset classes for now. Obviously, you're going to have to specify the stock symbol that you want to trade. Next, because we're trying to focus here on developing good risk management skills, you have to specify the limit entry price, the stop loss, and the profit target in advance. In this game, we're not holding stocks overnight, we're only day trading them. So if your trade has not hit its profit target or stop loss by the end of the day, it'll be exited at close. To actually place the trade, we simply go to Slack and use a slash command. The arguments of that slash command is simply buy or sell if I want to short, followed by the symbol, followed by the limit entry, then the stop loss, and then the profit target. In our example, I want to buy the symbol SPY at $292.70. My stop loss is $292.40, and my profit target is $293.15. So my command looks like this. Notice that I don't need the dollar signs. Upon placement, if successful, I get a nice friendly message from Roybot, our in-house Slack app. Looks like this trade was placed successfully. Checking up on our trade later in the day, we see that we have indeed extended our range. By the end of the day, it looks like we've hit our profit target. At close, we get a message telling us the results of each trade, followed by the net profit for the day. Here's another example where I placed a couple trades, Apple and Micron Technologies in particular. That's about all for today. If you want to check out our trading game, you could do so for free by just signing up to our Slack community at roitradingacademy.com. Other than that, thanks again for tuning in. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.